Welcome to Mahima Lifesciences, situated in the industrial hub of Sonipat, Haryana, a state-of-the-art manufacturing unit. Our facility is fully compliant with the rigorous standards of 21 CFR and holds prestigious certifications. We hold a distinct position in the pharmaceutical landscape by producing vitamin B12, various steroids, and multivitamins, all under stringent conditions and high-quality systems. Our process begins with meticulously maintained raw material storage. Vitamin B12 production is conducted under specialized red spectrum lighting, safeguarding the compound from light-induced degradation. A controlled environment governed by standard operating procedures, ensuring ideal temperature and humidity. The multivitamin section follows a high-efficiency workflow with batch precision. Steroid synthesis is carried out using high-grade chemical reactors. The compounds are then moved to the purification zone, where contaminants are filtered out through advanced methods. Our in-house pilot plant supports scale-up and process innovation, serving as a testbed for new formulations. Blending, ensuring uniformity in every batch. Followed by micronization and milling, which fine-tune the particle size to achieve desired bioavailability. The vacuum tray dryer is used to maintain potency while removing moisture, and the final crystallization process locks in product stability. Steroids are then sealed in final packaging units, labeled and transferred to our finished goods store, ready for distribution. We maintain an unbroken chain of quality through rigorous lab testing. The microbiology lab and microseptic zone are dedicated to sterility assurance. Our instrumentation section features high-performance liquid chromatography, HPLC, gas chromatography, headspace, and the recently integrated LC-MS system for advanced molecular detection and impurity profiling. Vitamin B12 is tested under red light conditions to preserve its chemical integrity. Supporting labs include our chemical wet lab, Mahima Lifesciences also houses an FDA-certified research and development laboratory, a testimony to our focus on innovation and scientific rigor, and CRD R&D division, both of which contribute to product optimization and regulatory filings. Stability chambers replicate global climatic zones, critical infrastructure, such as the utility boilers, the water purification system, and compressed air systems supports our operations round the clock. Meanwhile, office teams and senior management are actively involved in quality reviews, strategic meetings, and regulatory oversight, aligning science with business outcomes. To explore more about our capabilities, certifications, and product range, visit us at mahimalife.com.